putting holes in the wall for our toilet and the litter box. And I'm sanding. Miko did all that. Do not let me take credit. He worked so hard. He worked on it for so many days while I worked in my air conditioning job. And I just did this inside stripe, and I'm working on the rest. Yeah, the rest of it, y'all did this side too. It was also like 100 degrees out again today, so I did not work on this side much because it's in the direct sunlight all day. I ended up getting a little bit of this done today. And a little patch just to see. And the whole side done as far as I could reach. But Miko got the rest. I'm about to sand the sheen off of this because yes, it's white, but we just are repainting the whole thing. So gonna make it look brand new. The whole rest of the van has been sanded down. They're taking the tire off so that we can sand that last door. And everything else is done. So we get to paint the van. And then I just learned this. This is pretty cool. This van used to just be a regular sized van. Oops, and end off like right here where that line is. This used to be where the lights are now. They extended it when they made it into an RV. And that's the bathroom. Miko also he super glued these magnets down here and here because it used to kind of like pop off like that, but with the magnets, and once it's closed, yeah, it'll work perfectly.
Oh, stop. The line's kind of cutting it.
So it was leaking because one of the clamps was too tight and it cut the line. So my dad just cut off an inch of the line and re-clamped it up. Not too tight. Here, let's see if it leaks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fucking. How is. Look up on it.
Did one layer of tape all around the window, and then we're gonna put this plastic on and tape it down again.
Guacamole. Quit dropping the tape.
What's that for? You're putting bunny ears on me?
Yeah.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Katie. Oops. It's a little so dark on this side.
Yeah. We're taking this van hostage.
It looks fucking crazy. Looks crazy to me.
Yeah.
No why.
Anyways, we're waking up at 4 in the morning, so good night. It's like 9:30 or so, whatever. Good night.